Hello friends, welcome back to my channel VSR Vlog Tube. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of a brand new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G phone, and this is a phone which was announced in the month of March in 2022 by Samsung, and it was later available in the end of March. And currently this phone can be found in either Chroma or in the Samsung store itself, and not available in either Flipkart or Amazon. This phone comes with 4 different colors like blue, black, peach and white, and other configuration and the features and how the look and feel is, let me explain you. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also like, share and comment on this video. Let me start the unboxing. So you can see this is a black colored one, and there are 4 different color comes up with the Samsung Galaxy A53, that is blue, black, peach and white. Apart from the phone, we get one power adapter that is of 25 watt, and also you can additionally buy the headset as well, and there is a pouch provided by Samsung itself, and there is a SIM ejector provided. Apart from that, there is a Samsung guide that is available. Let me open this up. So you can see it's a brand new phone, and the phone looks very classy. So let me go to the specifications of it. As I mentioned, this is a phone that was released in the month of March but not available everywhere in India. Coming back to the specification, Samsung Galaxy A53 is a 5G smartphone. It weighs about 189 grams, built with Gorilla Glass 5. So the display is of 6.5 inches, and the OS that runs on this phone is Android 12, and the CPU is octa-core. This phone also supports external micro SD card. This particular phone is of 128GB storage and 4GB RAM. There are other 3 variants as well, that is 128GB with 6GB and 8GB RAM respectively, and also 256GB comes up with 6GB and 8GB RAM. It has quad camera with 64 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 5 megapixel respectively. So the video is of 4K resolution, and the selfie camera is of 32 megapixel. Only thing missing in this phone is the 3.5mm jack is not available when compared to Samsung Galaxy A52, which was released in the last year. And the battery is of 5000 mAh, which is pretty much good. So the phone is priced between 35 to 40k in India based on the variant you choose. Overall, a good budgeted smartphone within the price range that it has been priced to.